Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan with lights for viewing purposes and I think it's really nice. It comes with the installation manual with all the steps, all the pieces that it comes included, which I think it's great. It also comes with the receiver and the remote control and all the screws that you need to install the remote control in its base, which I think it's great. In here we have a down rod extension if we want to have it a little bit longer. This is the main motor. I think it's nice. It's compact, which I think is great. Everything comes really well protected with foam, cardboard, and plastic wrap, which I think it's great. And these are the fan blades. As you can see, they have this really beautiful wood design, which I find amazing. Okay, it's a three-bladed ceiling fan, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take everything and start assembling it and installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, so the installation process, it's really simple. All the instructions are really clear, and what I like about this ceiling fan is that you can place it wherever you want to place it, in your living room, your bedroom, your dining room, or even in a courtyard. And it's really nice because it's reversible, okay, which I think it's an excellent function. You can use it on summer and on winter, and it's really quiet, which is something that I find quite nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think it looks amazing. I like a lot the combination of the black metal finish of the bases with the wood of the fan blades, which I think it's great. It's a great combination. And we have 6 different speeds to control our ceiling fan, however we like it. And we can set it up for a natural wind feel like, or reverse the motor, so we can use it on winter and on summertime, which I think it's really nice. We also get a button so it stops making sounds once we press the proper buttons. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it off and it won't make any noise the receiver, and we can activate it once again. Okay, which I think it's nice. And overall, it's really easy to install. All the functions in the remote control are great, and overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.